So, we will discuss the property of arithmetic, geometric and harmonic mean of two positive numbers a and b. So here a, g and h represents the arithmetic, geometric and harmonic means of two numbers a and b. Then we need to show that a, g and h forms a geometric progression. Okay, so we know that if a and b, if the arithmetic mean is given by a, then a will be simply equals to a plus b divided by 2. If g is the geometric mean between a and b, then we have g equals to square root of ab. And the harmonic mean of a and b will be simply 2 times ab divided by a plus b. Now let's do one thing. We'll take the product of the arithmetic mean and the harmonic mean. So we have a plus b over 2 multiplied to 2ab divided by a plus b. So that's simply a plus b gets factored out, 2 also gets factored out, so we're left with ab. Now what's ab? That's simply square root of ab whole square. We're rewriting it so that we can replace the value of square root of ab with g, so we get g squared. Now clearly, we're getting the condition that g squared is equals to a times h, or we can say that a g over a is equals to h over g. So that means a, g, h is in GB. So it's forming a geometric progression.